Hi everybody, Samuel Barrett here for Vflat, and today I'm going to take you through a couple of setups for video work using Vflats. I'm also the videographer for Vflat and I create content for them, but today I'm in front of the camera instead of behind it. The camera of choice today is the Sony a7 III. We're gonna combine it with the 28 to 75 millimeter. And for lighting, we're gonna use the Aputure 300D version 2 and a couple of Clar lights, the Max 120s. For the first setup, we're gonna do an interview.
Hi, I'm Denise.
On camera right, we're going to add a soft key light using the Aputure 300D and a huge 70-inch umbrella. We are pointing the light inside the umbrella so the light can bounce out through the diffuser for a nice soft light. On camera left, we're going to use another light and put it inside a V-flat to bounce light to get less shadows on the left side of Denise's face. We're also gonna add a hair light. Now let's shoot. All right, action.
Hello, my name is Denise, and I'm here to talk about myself and what you need to do to date a girl like me. First, what do you have to do?
Okay, cut.
Oh, but I didn't even...
No, we good. We got it. Now for the next setup, we're gonna do a high key look for a brand of bubblegum that we invented called Tubby's Bubble Gubble. Coming to a store near you. Never. First, let's set up a key light right in front and above Denise. Now let's put two V-flats on her left and right side to kill any shadows on the sides of her face. One V-flat as the background with two lights facing the backdrop to create that clean white background. One last thing is a silver reflector right below her, out of frame because I hardly want any shadows. Now let's shoot this commercial.
Are you bored? Do you want some excitement in your life? Then try Tubby's Bubble Gubble. Tubby's Bubble Gubble. Bubble Gubble, Bubble Gubble.
Okay, now let's jump into the dark side. We're going to turn all the V-flats around, keeping the same setup we had for the high key look, but now I want everything dark. I got this nice photo SN29 flash concentrator snoot. Boy, that's a long name. And you could put these pre-cut shapes and project them onto your subject. And I'm going to use it to project this pattern on Denise's face. So let's take a look at this light setup. Let's turn on the key light. A backlight, we're gonna use it as fill to bring up the shadows. And a hair light.
The day you left Paris, you knew what I went through. You knew how much I loved you, how much I still love you. The day you left Paris, you knew what I went through. You knew how much I loved you, how much I still love you.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about Vflats, don't forget to go to vflatworld.com and don't forget to subscribe and follow them on Instagram and YouTube at vflatworld. See you next time.